Back in 2020, when those fat stimulus checks showed up, I used mine to make an investment into my content creation by buying the camera I'm recording on right now. That is the Canon M50. Today, I'm going to break down why the Canon M50 is one of the best cameras a beginner YouTuber can buy. Let's dive into it. First off, we're going to start with the price at $799 with a tripod, an SD card, the kit lens, and a microphone. This camera has it all. Literally, for $800, you get a box that has everything you need to start making content except for a computer to edit on. What more could you possibly ask for? Not only that, this camera is incredibly easy to use. It's an amazing starter camera that anyone can pick up and use from the get-go. Just take a look at these photos I took day one of having my camera. Not only that, it has a great clean HDMI out, or even using micro USB to record your footage on a computer if you want to. This camera essentially acts as a webcam because it's connected via USB to my computer, and I run everything through Streamlabs to get this simple, easy recording between me and you. And there's no fluff around the screen. It's just me, you, thanks to the beauty of the image on the camera. One of the things that also makes this great for vloggers is that it has digital image stabilizations built into the camera, so that when you're walking around and maybe moving around with your camera, it's not going to be as shaky as if you were an iPhone kind of moving around, right? It's actually going to have built-in image stabilization to make the footage way less shaky. And of course, with it being a mirrorless camera, there are plenty of lenses that you can buy for it, and you can even buy an adapter so you can use other types of lenses on this camera as well. Now, what about the cons? What can this camera not do? Well, one of the biggest cons is you're not subscribed to this channel. Okay, joking aside, and if you are subscribed, thank you. But actually, one of the biggest cons of this camera is you actually have a better camera in your pocket, and that's the iPhone. Right here, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And if you have this in your pocket, then you just need to buy a tripod and an external microphone, and you are good to go when it comes to recording content already. You don't need to make a camera investment. This will do just fine. And in fact, I have affiliate links in the description below of all sorts of stuff that you can use, right, to elevate your content both with an iPhone and the Canon M50. But man, if you want to make that initial investment into content creation and up your process, the Canon M50 is an amazing camera to start with. You cannot go wrong. Do yourself a favor, invest in yourself and upgrade your content creation ability so that you can make some amazing videos. Oh, and do yourself another favor. Keep learning by clicking the video right here.